Assalamualaikum friends, this is Daniel Nadeem from my YouTube channel Nature Plus Beauty Tips and Tricks. Here we have an amazing product for you all, which is Sunkissed Honey and Almonds Lotion. As you all know that how honey is beneficial and advantageous for our skin glow, because it contains natural healing properties that are antiseptic and antibacterial. Likewise, when we are talking about this lotion which contains pure honey almond oil minerals oil along with vitamin A, C, E, which gives exciting effects to our skin. Although winter season has started in which your skin gets dry, so this moisturizer provides you moisture soothing and will remove acne. You should have to implement this solution on your whole body daily. So then you will get your skin silky and smooth. दोस्तों ये प्रोडक्ट आप हमारे व्हाट्सएप नंबर पर मैसेज कर कर हमसे मंगवा सकते हैं और ये प्रोडक्ट्स जो glue.pk और daraz.pk पर भी अवेलेबल हैं और बाकी तमाम लिंक्स जो हैं वो हमने नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दे दिए हैं और वहाँ से इस प्रोडक्ट को बाय कर सकते हैं. So guys, I hope you will like my video. So if you like my video, please like and subscribe and press the bell icon so you never miss any update from Nature Plus Beauty Tips and Tricks. Okay, Allah Hafiz.